Welcome back to the BIOS 1310 Human Anatomy and Physiology Lab at Ohio University. Today we're here with the wet spirometer and we're teaching different respiratory volume tests. So first off, the thing you gotta know is this is a wet spirometer machine. And what that means is it's wet, there's water inside of here. And with a wet spirometer, once you've got this piece of cardboard in the tube, you're gonna actually exhale or expire into this tube. If you breathe in this tube, you'll breathe in the water. So for example, if I go, that was me exhaling into the tube, and as you can see, if you zoom up here, it showed me how many liters of air I just exhaled, and it was about 2 liters total. So it's really important that you know how to read this dial. For example, this is measuring in liters. So this is 1 liter, 2 liters, like a 2 liter of pop, 3 liters, 4, and so forth. So if the dial is pushed to, let's say, halfway between 1 and 2, that's 1.5 liters or 1,500 milliliters. Be able to figure out what the units of this scale are, liters or milliliters. This is something you might see in a hospital. This is called an inspiratory machine. But instead of breathing out, you're gonna breathe in this tube. So it looks something like so now let's talk about how do you measure something like tidal volume. Now with tidal volume, what that really is normal breathing. Inhalation, exhalation, without exerting more or less air than you normally would. So to measure that, what you want to do is have the patient sit down and breathe normally, nice and relaxed. And when they're at the top of an inhalation breath, you want them to plug their nose and exhale normally into this tube. Very important that they plug their nose, otherwise air might escape from their nose and not into the tube. So let's say I was sitting here just kind of breathing normally. That was about 600 milliliters or 0.6 liters. Average tidal volume from your lab manual is 500 milliliters. It's a very important number to know. Tidal volume normally is 500 milliliters. The other one we want to measure is as much as you can inspire maximally and as much as you can expire maximally. So it's the deepest breath you can breathe in and as much air as you can breathe out into this tube. That's everything I had in my lungs. I had to force out into this tube. And if you look, it's 4.2 liters or 4,200 milliliters, and that would be normal for a male. Check the ranges in your lab manual to know the normal ranges. And this has been your video on the wet barometer. Thanks for watching.